Greetings and salutations, huge and lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. We explore weird and forgotten drinks and other lady niceties. I'm your host, Corey. And today we're going to go back. Are we going to go back? No, we're going to go forward. Back into this modern bartending book, the Ultimate Bar book. I have a confession to make with this drink. Most of the drinks I've been making on the channel I've been trying for the first time as we go through this little journey. But I still like making or finding new drinks, and that's kind of where this whole thing started back during the, during the bad times a few years ago. So a couple Friday nights ago, I was, bored and didn't want to get the cameras out, so I wanted to try something new. And today's drink, called the Nutty Irishman, is one that I wanted to try. Because I bought some Frangelico and I wanted to give it a shot. Any excuse to drink, right? And as always, I am not a bartender. Do not take any of this as bartending advice. So let's make a cocktail. Alright, this is, I keep saying simple cocktails, and this is simple. It is basically Bailey's and Frangelico, and it's equal parts. So you can make a bunch at one time or make it as small as you want. Make a shot out of it. But for this version, we're just going to do 1.5 ounces of Bailey's, 1.5 ounces of Frangelico. I guess that's supposed to be like a little monk thing. If I can keep it from getting into the into the shaker. All right, shaking time. Oh, I was trying to not make a mess, and of course, as I keep saying, that's why I would not make it as a bartender. I am sloppy, messy, and I probably don't make any money because I just insult the customers the whole time. Those are nice when you just put it into a rocks glass, straight up. And as I was saying, I've already tried this, so I know it's yummy. That's why I wanted to show it off. It might could add a little cream to it, to smooth it out a little bit if you wanted to, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. You got the got coffee, liqueur-ish, but then what is Frangelico? It is hazelnut. So it almost tastes like chocolate milk in a way, like a very unique chocolate milk. So you could get very hammered off these very quickly. Yeah. With that being said, I'm gonna finish this one off. In the meantime, make sure that's right set up. Y'all know what to do. Cheers.